Hey, good morning, everybody. Today is Monday, March 23rd, 2015. My name is Cliff Backus. I am the Chief Market Strategist for Push Button Stock Trading, and this is your daily video market review. My son and daughter-in-law are visiting for the weekend, so we're going to do a quick down and dirty report today. Stocks closed out a great week for the bulls, significantly higher on Friday with very heavy volume. Friday was triple witching. The day 4 times a year when options, futures, and indexes expire on the same day. Triple witching is often accompanied by heavy trading volume. For the week, the NASDAQ composite was up 3.2%, while the S&P tacked on 2.7%. Let's take a quick look at the NASDAQ composite. The NASDAQ on Friday was up 34.04 points, or 0.68%. The NASDAQ took out resistance in the 50.09 area, but only managed to close in the middle of its daily trading range. Let's zoom in on this a little bit. See, if anything, the NASDAQ closed in the lower part of its daily trading range, which isn't going to make the bulls very happy. The fact that we took out resistance is encouraging. We'll see if we can continue to hold that resistance. Right now, the NASDAQ is bracketed by support in the 48.11 area and resistance in the 50.09 range. The NASDAQ on our 1 to 6 month timing model is on a margin signal. Trading volume was huge. It was up over 50% above average daily and the prior day. And the reason for that was triple witching. The NASDAQ currently is in a confirmed uptrend. We've been in a confirmed uptrend since January 8th. We have 4 distribution days on the NASDAQ. They were all clustered about 2.5 weeks ago. Since then, we've had 2 accumulation days, one here, and then yesterday was a real good accumulation day. Taking a look at our MACD histogram, we see that the MACD histogram is trading above the 0 line, which is bullish, is in an uptrend, which is bullish. So our immediate bias on the NASDAQ is bullish. Let's take a quick look at the S&P 500. The S&P 500 on Friday was up 18.83 points, or 0.9%. S&P closed in the upper half of its daily trading range, but wasn't a particularly bullish close. The S&P sold off right into the close yesterday after putting in a fairly strong day. Trading volume was huge on triple witching. The S&P right now is in a confirmed uptrend, but that uptrend is under pressure due to this cluster of distribution from about 2.5 weeks ago. We have seen 2 accumulation days since the last distribution day. Right now, the S&P 500 is on a margin signal on our 1 to 6 month timing model. S&P right now is bracketed, I would say, by support down here in the 1992 area and resistance up here in the 2120 range. We have minor support resistance down here at 2094. Right now the S&P looks fairly bullish, as does the NASDAQ. The close on Friday was indicative of perhaps a market that's overbought and may need to consolidate some of the gains here. But overall, both markets look fairly solid. Let's take a look at our MACD histogram. Our MACD histogram on Friday closed above the 0 line, which is bullish, is in an uptrend, which is also bullish, and so because we have 2 bullish signals, our immediate bias on the S&P 500 is bullish. That's about all I have for today. If you want to talk about the markets or any of our trading strategies, please feel free to give me a call, drop me an email, or if you'd prefer, make an appointment. Come by the office, see what we're up to. If you're out of the area, we can also set up a Skype session. See my contact information on the home page. If you've not already done so, please take a minute to subscribe to Push Button Stock Trading. You can also follow us on Twitter at Push Button Stock. Again, my name is Cliff Backus. That's your daily video market review. Have a safe and profitable day. Keep your stops in place, and I will see you again tomorrow. Please stay tuned for our important disclaimers. All the best. Disclaimers. Push Button Stock Trading Video Market Review is produced and edited by Clifford B. Backus. Mr. Backus is a Senior Vice President of Investments, Technical Analyst, Portfolio Manager, and Partner with the investment firm of Ohanneson LaCours Incorporated. Video Market Review is produced solely for the benefit of our clients, friends, and colleagues. Anything written, stolen, and/or plagiarized in this publication is done without malice. Further, the analysis and opinions expressed in this publication are strictly those of the editor and not of Ohanneson LaCours Incorporated, its affiliates, subsidiaries, or any of the officers or employees of Ohanneson LaCours, Inc. On that note, we submit the following. The analysis, calculations, and evaluations presented herein are based on data and assumptions Ohanneson LaCours Incorporated believes to be accurate. Ohanneson LaCours Incorporated makes no representation that such analysis or calculations are accurate or that such valuations represent levels at which actual trades may occur. This report has been prepared from original sources, except where otherwise noted, and data we believe to be reliable. Ohanneson LaCours, Inc., its affiliates and subsidiaries and/or their officers and employees or their families may from time to time acquire, hold, or sell a position in the securities mentioned herein. Moreover, opinions may differ from one entity to the next. If we are used in connection with the purchase or sale of any security discussed in this report, we may act as principal for our own account or as agent for both the buyer and the seller. Push Button Stock Trading is dedicated to the education of friends, clients, and paid subscribers. Push Button Stock Trading is an information service only. The information provided herein is not to be construed as an offer to buy or sell stocks of any kind. Push Button Stock Trading is created to aid subscribers in making informed investment decisions based wholly or in part on technical analysis. It's possible that at this time or some subsequent date, the editors of Push Button Stock Trading may own, buy, or sell the investments presented. All investors should consult a qualified professional before making any investment. The information provided has been obtained from sources deemed to be reliable, but it is not guaranteed as to the accuracy or completeness. The editors of Push Button Stock Trading make every effort to provide timely information to subscribers, but cannot guarantee specific delivery times due to factors beyond our control.